To make stickers on Android, we'll first pull up a photo that we want to create the sticker from. Usually, you'll want a photo with a clear object in outline, for example, a person, pet, or anything else where your phone can sort of cut out the sticker from the rest of the photo. To create a sticker, you're going to tap and hold the object, and you'll see a little outline appear. Now we can just tap Copy Sticker, and it'll get copied on your clipboard. I can then either share it directly from here, or I can go to any app and paste it manually. If you're using something like the Samsung Gallery app, you'll see an option to save the sticker, and you can then find it on your emoji keyboard. I'm doing this in Google Photos, so I'll use the copy-paste workflow. When I pull up my Messages app, I can paste it here, and the app actually automatically sees what's on my clipboard, and it'll offer a quick one-tap paste right here above my keyboard. Tap that, and the sticker goes in. Or just long press the text field and paste it there. On Samsung phones, these will get saved in your emoji keyboard, but Google Photos and Gboard don't actually save these anywhere. I've heard there's going to be an update where the Photos app will have a dedicated collection for stickers, but as of now, that's not out yet. If you want to use the same sticker again without having to always copy-paste it, you can pin it to your clipboard. First, you'll open and enable the clipboard. It's usually visible above your keyboard, but if you don't see it, tap the 4 tiles on the left and then find the clipboard icon from there. You can drag it to your preferred position on the top of your keyboard. Once the clipboard has been enabled, mine was already done earlier, anything you copy will stay there for 1 hour and then clear automatically. If you want to keep your sticker here for longer, you can tap the pencil icon, choose the sticker, and pin it. Pinned items will stay on top of your clipboard permanently, so you can always easily find them and add them to your messages with a single tap. This could be stickers, but it could also be stuff like addresses, phone numbers, or anything you need to share and type frequently. And that's how you use stickers on Android. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.